Honey, did you get any sleep? Oh, I'm so sorry.
Are you snoring while you're awake?
Huh?
I haven't lost so much sleep since little Barty had the scoots.
Well, there's a surgical option, but it's not cheap. Here's what it costs.
Interesting. Here's my counteroffer.
Get out.
I gotta hand it to Artie Ziff, Marge. That little nerd saved my life.
And our marriage with his latest invention, the snore converter. Good night, homie.
Good night.